Hello and welcome to another one. I'm walking up the same hill as I was walking up 2 videos ago. I'm stopping in the van just down there, and I was just dozing off after being out all day and getting very, very wet. I was just dozing off, leaning against the window, and for whatever reason I looked out the window. Massive, massive rainbow. So vibrant, so perfectly, just right beside the van, right up there. I've got a picture on my phone. I'll show you the picture on my phone. I'll pop it up just there for you. Amazing. And I thought, why wasn't I up here? Anyway, I sort of, and I'm out of breath again, sorry. I sort of thought about it. I thought, do you know what? I'm here. The clouds have gone over a bit. It's not as blustery as what it was. And I thought, well, the sun's going a bit lower. As you can see, I've changed my coat. I've got my red coat on now, my slightly thicker one. And the light's coming lower. So I thought, well, while I'm here, it's absolutely stupid for me not to come back up here. So I put my trousers back on, a little bit damp. But hey ho, if I get wet, I've got a dry pair for tomorrow then. So I'm going back up that way, back up to the stones, stiperstones in Shropshire. And if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, the link is up there. Please check that out. Hopefully I'm going to get a sunset. That would be nice. A nice sunset. I only want 1, maybe 2 images would be nice, of a nice evening light, evening sunset. And then to back that up, I'm going to do a second part to this video, possibly in the same video, depending on how long it is. And I'm going to come back up here for sunrise. I haven't looked on me photo pills, not my photo pills, I haven't looked on me weather app, Dry Outside, whatever it is. I haven't looked out there, so I don't know what it's going to do yet. When I get to the top, I'll have a look. But hopefully something will happen in the morning and I'll be up ready to have a look at it. So here we go again. Second time up this hill. Not much further to go. Whew. The view behind me though, eh? Look at it. It's beautiful. And I'm expecting it to look different up here as well once I get up here, with the light being lower in the sky. Oh, a bit of panting. It's got to be good for you, isn't it? Is it? I hope so. Blue skies over that way now, and you know I don't like a blue sky, but I'm quite looking forward to it tonight. I want some fluffy clouds on the horizon, maybe some atmospheric sun rays over towards the sunset, and this nice low long shadows as the sun goes down and the light gets warmer. Look at it there, the sun's just peeking through. And after this afternoon getting wet, that'll be a nice change. But the shadows could be hard and harsh, but it'd be interesting to see the difference in the 2 videos. Whew. Look at it, just look at that sunshine. Oh wow, that looks pretty epic. Let's get up on these rocks where we were earlier, or last time. Sideways light, the light's to my right, so it's lighting all the sides of these rocks. The sky's looking really moody, really threatening up this way. Step through the heather so I don't spoil anything. It's looking pretty good. Camera's coming out quick so I don't miss anything. Wow, it's looking nice. Right, I just want to show you this. I've got the leveling plate on, and you can see there I've got the camera nice and level, so that if I shoot a panoramic, which I'm bound to do because just look at it, it deserves a panoramic, at least I'll get it all in. There's some seriously gorgeous light going off behind me, so I'm now going to have to get the camera out quickly, get a couple of shots of this, because this is not going to last all night. This is absolutely gorgeous. Right, I am set up. I've got a stunning image. Oh, look at the moon's coming out as well up there. I've put the polarizer on, as you can see at the front. I've got the case polarizer, and I can just spin it around. And by spinning it around, it makes them clouds in the background pop. I'm focusing on the rocks just here in the foreground, about there. That f11 I'm on, that's going to give me plenty of sharpness all the way through. I'm at ISO 160, and I'm bracketing to be safe, to make sure I get everything. I have my Kelvin set at 5,600 Kelvin. I'm going to take this while the light's soft. Look at the light rays behind me. Wow, I've got to spin the camera around. I've got to spin it around well quick. Oh. I'll be back in a bit. So sorry I'm not being able to share this with you, but it's acting so fast. I've swapped the lenses over, I've put the 5140 on, and it's just absolutely amazing. I'm bracketing all the shots. I'm at f11 and I'm just looking across. Look at the light coming out over there now, coming this way. The light on the top over there, these sun rays are just absolutely amazing. I'm so excited by this. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. If that light just creeps down below those, oh, I'm gonna have to get my phone out. Where's my phone? I've got to take a picture on my phone. The phone's got the best imagery. After all this equipment, double click, pick my phone up, point it in the direction I want it, press the button. Fantastic. It's getting a bit closer. Press the button again. Are we ready? Bosh. Can you see it on the back of there? It's just gorgeous. Let's go super wide. Super wide. Let's get everything in. Super wide. Rocks, mountains, the lot. Bang. Right, that's just give me an idea. Let's give me an idea. I'm going to get my wide angle on. I've shot some long ones. I'm going to shoot some. Let's just take another one of them. I'm just going to take some. I'm going to take a wide one. I want to take a wide scape and catch all this essence. Clouds, sun rays, light splashes, colour, rocks. Everything. Oh, I needed this. Really needed this. This is fantastic. Look at the light over there. I'm going to snap a few shots of that lot. I'll be back and show you these. Just enjoy these. Just enjoy the lot. Switching round to the wide angle lens has made a difference. I just got a whole view of all this rock formation with a light on it, and and the rocks behind it and everything, and you've got the mountain. It's got a wide enough view to pick up that bit over there as well, so you've got this lovely colour coming in from the sides. Really nice, a wide angle lens that is. I'm gonna have a look for another one now. I'm gonna try and maybe not burn all my britches in one corner. I might try and get up to that rock up there and pick up the 3 pieces in it while I've still got light. I think that's probably a good idea. It's all absolutely stunning. F11, focused on these rocks again, and just shot away straight into that. Look at this light. That is something else, and I'm sorry you're dark, but that is something else. Not every day you get to see this. Don't know why the camera went off. I'm on the move, I'm getting up. Probably camera went off because I wasn't recording, that'd be about right. So I just was saying, absolutely stunning to see this sort of light. And I'm on the move, trying to get up to this big Alsatian rock, which is what I named it earlier on. The light's coming out, you can see the light be over my shoulder, it's just so bright. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's been such a long time since I've been out in these sort of conditions where the light's kicking off and everything. And I just love the rushing around and the adrenaline of trying to get a good shot. And this stuff is not easy to walk on. It really isn't. I said that last time and I'm saying it again. I'm stopping up here as long as I can this evening to get the best of the light. So let's make the most of it. Can I get a sun flare? That's what I want. What about something like that? Can I get a little sun star there? That might be worth trying. But a big cloud's just gone over it, but I'll give it a go. Let me get my camera set up and out the bag. Well, it's not out the bag, it's already on the tripod. But let's get me bag off and have a look and see what I can do with this. Similar composition to earlier on, probably, with the mountains behind it and the light on the side of the rock. I think that's the best of the best, really. Super. I'm not sure if I've been recording or not. I keep forgetting to put the record button and the camera keeps going off, but the light's absolutely stunning and fantastic. I've got the wide angle on, 10mm, taking in all that golden light. I've got all the tour in the background. I've got the mountain on the hillside over in the distance, and I just keep snapping away. I might just zoom in and see what it looks like zoomed in and bring the camera up a little bit just to get some more of that texture in the sky. It's just absolutely a gorgeous photograph. I'm going to focus on the main rock, 2-second timer. I've got these beautiful gold colours coming in from the right hand side. I've got the blue mountains in the background over on the left hand side. The polarizers punching all the contrast in the sky. Absolutely stunning, proper wall hanger. I haven't felt this good for a photograph for a long time. That is gorgeous. Can't stop now though, can't stop now. The light is just too good to be, the light is just too good to be talking. Fantastic, epic stuff. Look at that. No idea if this is recording or what it's doing. Keeps shutting down every time I look at the camera. No idea. Epic. Just tried to do a panoramic, but I was in aperture priority. I was rushing a little bit, to be honest, but the light's just gone down behind that big cluster of cloud now. But I'm going to set the GoPro up and I'm going to catch a panoramic as it zooms across the sky. Panoramic. I'm going to do a time lapse. Beautiful, beautiful sky. I think for this time I'm going to go out on a high rather than completely destroy my video and just end up being back in the van. I'm going to go out on a high this time, so I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to stop now while the going's good. The clouds up there, which you can't see, I'm just going to show you this. I've got to show you this. This is just, let's go, oh, plus, we want to go minus. Look at that lot up there. How super fantastic does that look? That is just absolutely something else, and I need to get that in a shot. I really do. This is going to be my last one, I think. Wide angle. I'm going to put all these rocks in there. I'm going to go and move my GoPro off the top there though, because that's doing a time lapse at the moment, but I've got to capture this big cloud before it disappears, and then I'm going back to the van and I'm going to have some sleep, and I'm going to get up and see you. Hopefully I'm going to see you in the morning bright and early with some sort of a sunrise of some kind. If not, then well, I'll see you in the morning anyway, no matter what. But for now, I'm going to say ciao for now. And if I don't see you after this clip, then I'll see you on the next video. Ciao. Take care. And don't forget, just get out. You don't know what you're going to get. This is amazing. Amazing night. Amazing evening. Thanks for watching.